So I got a couple minutes. It's me, Eric Pauly at erpley.com, ERPOLLEY.com. And because I am on a time crunch, why don't we just hop right in? Because I essentially want to create a truck, a low poly truck, for this project that I am currently working on. And my goal is to get it done as fast as possible, so that's why I'm going to start immediately. That start immediately meaning that like I already started. Hey, we'll be there all week. Yeah, that's the size I think I want. Let's do it like that. And let's do one more here, but a little bit thin. And let's do all these. And Alt E and extrude along normals and extrude it in. Let's not modifiers. I want to add materials already. And let's assign this one already and call this Windows. Did I assign it already? That's kind of important. And let's extrude this a little bit size and extrude it down. Now it's not all the way down. That's okay. Because what do I think? Does this need to be like elevated or anything? Hit 3 and select those faces. And let's just do small them up. That's okay. Let's grab this, put it in. There we go. It's a little interesting, a little weird. It's kind of fun. Let's see what those mirrors look like. All right, we can add some lights over here with a cube. Size it down. Size it on the Y. Size it on the X. And I'm first going to assign this new material. Let's make it yellow. We can actually size this a little bit down because I'm going to want to just duplicate this a couple times. And let's Control A on that. Set all. Q and go to my mirrors since I already know I have that going on. And then I just duplicated, so no, of course that's not gonna work. That's fine. That's alright, y'all. And assign. That'll do. Grab them all down. And let's just grab this one. Duplicate, move it on the Y, about like that. Duplicate on the Y. This time I want to move it up. And like that. And does this guy need a license plate? I don't think he gets one. Sucks to be you, nerd. I don't know. That used to be a really big joke when I was growing up. Like, nerds were constantly made fun of. Now, not so much. It's not really a thing anymore. I'm not complaining, obviously. Might be a bit of a nerd myself. A little bit. Just a smidge. A tad bit. Big wheels. Keep on turning. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's necessary. And I keep on shading smooth. I don't really need to. Let's Control S and save this as something like truck. Truck A01. And let's go to the quick menu and mirror that after going Control A and all transform. Then we can, let's put shades flat just for our current visibility. And then I'm going to go down to the modifiers on this one and Boolean. I'm going to do it twice. Once for up here and once for over there. And let's just say OK. And make sure that actually worked, because I hit a button there on accident. Okay. You know what? I need to Alt-D before I modify these. That way if I go in, select it all, and size this down a little bit like that, it shows through on all the other little wheels that I've already created, which is exactly what I want. So I'm going to inset that, go in a little bit, let's inset that, and do that one more time about to here, and grab that on the x-axis like that, really far out, because it's a truck. Trucks do that for some reason. I don't really know why. I'm going to select all that, select this too, go up here, and let's add 2 new materials. One of them is the wheel already, and the other one is going to be metallic. Yeah! Yeah, I don't know. Now let's turn that black and assign. No. There you are. There you go. Good job, Charlie. Again, I don't know. Shade smooth. And let's go down to normals and auto smooth. So the flats look flat and the normals look normal. You can even inset this as well and grab it and the X like that. Like that. And there's some wheels. Essentially, this guy's good to go. It's obviously lacking detail. Things like, I don't know, like that. If I could put a grill in here. I'm trying to think of a fast way that I can do that. Yeah, let's see. How's this gonna work though? Because I want to do like this. And then extrude those in. And then let's select circle and try to get as much as this as possible. Circle. Circle tool is the C key. Sounds like a Song of the Sea type of reference. It is not. I'm going to add this material that we used earlier and assign it. There's a bit of a grill. A very lazy one. But it's one. It's there. Alright? And it kind of messed with the shape that I had already going on over here. So I'm going to shade smooth and auto smooth for 80 degrees. And that's really as much detail as actually required to create this little truck. So really, I don't want to dilly-dally too much with it. I kind of just want to use it. Or lose it, pal. No. For realsies. Even knowing nothing I say sounds like it's for realsies. I understand. Okay, we can change the white truck to any color, really. A red truck. No, that seems a bit much. A red, dark red truck. Sure, that truck looks good. Good to go. Let's save it and call it done, because I'm out of time anyways. So, I'll see you when I see you next time. Yeah. I will stop.